so on and so forth, right? And then give me your professional experience in your schools, and at the very bottom your certifications or languages or things like that, right? But let me know what your technology capabilities are from the very beginning, because most hiring managers are going to make an interview decision based on that right away, right? So that's the type of guidance I give. I simply don't have the time to do resume reviews. It's just I just don't have the time for it. So I apologize for that. But that's what I would tell you, Diane. If you do that, I guarantee you that you're going to see a difference in your conversion rates to at least start getting some callbacks. Okay. Mr. Arshad, joining us from YouTube, says, "This is great work, sir." Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I try my best, and like I said, I'm very passionate about this stuff. So a lot of this stuff doesn't really feel like work for me because I'm just having fun, right? And as you can see from my streams, I don't use any notes or I'm not looking things up. I'm just doing this top of mind, right? Because I'm just sharing my experience and what my reality has been with all of you. So thank you so much for saying that. I appreciate that feedback. It keeps me going and encourages me. So thank you so much for that. Melly Durr says, "I want to start learning ML. Where should I start, please?"